Hello and welcome back. If you saw my previous video, I showed you how you can log in into your email, go into the Google app and click on the drive to create a website. But for this, I'm going to show you how to do it differently. You log in to site.google.com and this will bring you straight to this page. It's the same thing. It's just a different way of getting to create a website. So once you type in site.google.com, it'll take you straight here. And the first thing you want to do is click on this blank site, this plus sign here. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you straight to this site. As you can see, this is the same thing we saw when we went through the Google Drive. So it's the same thing. We just have different ways of getting into the same page right here. So what we're going to do for this video, what I'm going to show you is how to start a new site, name your website, and also add content to your website. So the first thing we've already done that, we've already signed in and we've already gone into this site right here. So this is how we created a new site by clicking on the plus sign. Now we're on the new site. So now we're gonna name our website. How do we name our website? Through here, where it says Untitled Site. This is where we're gonna name our website. So just click on this and just give it any name that you want to name your website. So I'm gonna give it a unique I'm gonna say unique website. That's what I want to name it. So unique website. So once I do that and I come out of it, it's changing into my drive. So I can come back and change this name if I don't want it. You can always change it as long as you don't publish it. Even if you publish it, you can still come back and make changes. So I've already done the second part, which is to name my website. It's called the unique website. That's the name of my website. So now the next thing I want to do is to name my page title. So what do I want to name this? You can give it any name that you want. So I'm going to give it another name starting with unique. So let's give it unique Jumi site. So this is what I want to name it. So that's done right here. So we've done two things. We've named our website. We've also named the page name. So now, if you want to add your logo, as you can see when I over here under the website, it says to add your logo. So if you click on this, it's gonna this um, page will come up where it's telling you to upload your logo. So if you already have any logo in mind that you want to use and you upload it on your desktop or your laptop, you can just upload it and you can pull it up and upload it on your website. I'm not doing that right now. I'll do that later. So that's how you upload your logo. So then the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add content into your website. So if you come to the right panel here, you see where it says insert. Insert under insert, you have your text box, your images, um, anything that you wanted to add, content block, anything that you wanted to add to your page is on this, on the insert. If you go to pages, so this is the home page right here, right now. So if I want to create more pages like the about us, contact us, things like that, you click on this plus sign and it tells you what do you want to create. So I want to create a new page and it will tell you. So let me click on this plus sign and then it's telling you what do you want to name the page. So I'm going to name it about. Once you do done, it's right here on the home. So if I want to add more, I will keep coming and add it and it will keep coming. So it's going to be under the pages. So now let's go back to insert. So I want to I want to add some content to my website. So this is my website right now. So let me go back because right now I'm in about. I want to go back to my home page. So this is my home page. This is what I named Unique Jimmy site. So if I want to add content, you come back to insert. So before I go to adding content, I don't like the way the background of my header looks. I want to make it more beautiful and unique. So what you do is you come to themes right here, click on it. You have options here to update how you want this to look. So right now, I believe I'm in simple. That's why it looks this way. If I want other options, I can scroll down and you can pick different options to change how it looks. So each time I change it, I can change the color. You see how the underlying color changes. If I don't like this, I can pick the next one, the diplomat. You see how it kind of gives a unique look. So you can play around to see what you need for your page. Same thing if I put in vision, it looks this way right there. But my favorite is the impression. I like the color. It just gives it like a unique look. So that's just a way to just change the background of your header. So now let's go back to inserting content into my page. So what I want to do, so your first home page, definitely you want people to know what your page is all about. So you can add the text box. Once you click on it, this will come here and you can type in whatever you need. If you don't want this and you say, you know what, I want something different, you can delete this box and it takes it away. You can scroll down and just pick out this content block that they've already created for you. So if you want this one, you can click here, upload your image, and then write what you need, what the page is all about. If you don't want this, or if you want to duplicate this, just click on this, and it will duplicate it for you. If you don't want it, delete, and it will take it back. If I don't want this and I want another one, I can delete it and come back and pick this another option. So this gives me an option to have two side by side um, tags with images that I can upload. If I want one with three, I have that. So now you have the two and the option of having three. So if I want to delete any of these, I can just delete, just come over here to the side, just delete it, delete both. So this is showing you how to add content to your page. If I want to have button to what I'm typing, you can put that. So this is just for you to add a button where people can click to go straight into another website, or to, if you had a link that goes into your IG page or things like that, this is where you put the button there. Yeah, this is where you do your social media. You can put the links anywhere you want to add it. So the insert is for you to add all this into your page. So we've talked about